great choice today with the 2020 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 300 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, all-wheel drive, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, four-wheel disc brakes, remote trunk release, steel wheels. Your new ride is just a phone call away.